1 Minute Zulu Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Zulu from the Radio Lingua Network.
We're here to teach you some Zulu 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. To begin with, let's see if you remember what this means.
Uxolo angizwa.
It means, I'm sorry, I don't understand, or I didn't hear you. What about this phrase?
Ngiyasikhuluma kancane isiZulu.
This means that you speak a little Zulu, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Zulu now. Today we're going to learn how to say, I'm learning Zulu. You would say,
Ngisaqala ukufunda isiZulu.
Okay, Sisi, could you repeat this phrase more slowly, please?
Ngisaqala ukufunda isiZulu.
Now, there's another click sound in this phrase. And this time it sounds something like taking the cork out of a bottle.
Ngisaqala ukufunda isiZulu.
Okay, let's try saying, I'm learning Zulu one more time.
Ngisaqala ukufunda isiZulu.
If you were to say this to someone, you could add in the phrase,
Kubukhuni kancane.
this means it's a bit difficult, or it's a little difficult. Did you recognize the word kancane in there? Try saying, it's a little difficult.
Kubukhuni kancane.
Try it again.
Kubukhuni kancane.
Now let's try putting it together with the phrase for I'm learning Zulu. So to say I'm learning Zulu, it's a little difficult. You would say,
Ngisaqala ukufunda isiZulu. Kubukhuni kancane.
listen again.
Ngisaqala ukufunda isiZulu. Kubukhuni kancane.
Try it one more time.
Ngisaqala ukufunda isiZulu. Kubukhuni kancane. And that's the end of this lesson.
Hopefully you're not finding Zulu too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Zulu with this course enjoyable. You can practice your Zulu further on our website at oneminute.languages.com. In the meantime, thank you for listening and come back next time to learn more Zulu with the Radio Lingua Network.
Ngiyabonga. Usale kahle.
This is a production of the Radio Lingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.